I think Unity Week is important at school because it's a chance for different cultures and different people to showcase what they have to offer in terms of attire and the arts. And it helps the students at this school really learn who's in their community and what cultures that we have. And it's also really fun.
It's important for each culture at the school to feel represented and like they have a place at the school.
I believe that Unity Week and Unity Assembly is very important, so it exposes other people to different cultures, traditions, foods.
I feel like it helps me to connect with like my friends on a deeper level.
My friends have been teaching me their dance styles and I've been teaching them mine, and it's just this really beautiful little pocket that we live in where we get to do stuff like that.
The Unity Assembly is important because it united every different people together here.
AHS, we need to celebrate multiple cultural backgrounds, and we can do that by ethnic representation.
Our school has a lot of diversity, people from a lot of different backgrounds, and a lot of the time we kind of just keep it hidden, don't really show it too much, but this is really a chance to showcase it to everyone and just be proud of our culture.
It represents a diversity of AHS, and it shows how although we are like all different and we all come from different backgrounds at our high school, we all can come together in some way.
Unity Week is important to demonstrate inclusivity from different ethnic backgrounds and origins from around the world and to show that AHS is an inclusive environment.
I think Unity Week is fun because you get to meet a lot of new people and create new friendships.
I really think it brings everyone together.
Yeah, it's just making time to learn about all of our fellow students' cultures.
Unity Week is important because it helps us realize that so much as we are a divided people based on country, on class, on politics, among other things, the songs, the music, the dances help us recognize that they are very similar and that we are a shared people, that we're one humanity, connected forever.
Hey seniors, we're having a Seas Candy fundraiser from now until December 6th. This is a really great chance to get presents and candy for your friends and family, so make sure to buy some at our Instagram at Hornets_2025. This is going to go to supporting your events like senior prom, senior picnic, and all of that, so make sure to support.
Hey juniors! Our 2 weeks high fundraiser is tomorrow.
All day.
Make sure to mention AHS 2026. Also, our Seas Candy fundraiser is still happening right now until December 21st.
So go buy yourself some chocolate!
Hey sophomores, just a reminder that we have a Seas Candy fundraiser up until December 6th, so if you or anyone you know likes chocolate, please buy.
Please buy some candy, support the sophomore class.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey freshmen, from today through December 6th, we have a Seas Candy fundraiser.
It's only through online, and the link is in our Instagram at hornets.2028. Do not go on the actual website. Please use our link.
Make sure to support.
Hey Hornets, it's ASB. The food fair is this Thursday at lunch at the Red Pole. It's our fall food fair, which is also our Unity food fair. So all the different cultural clubs here at our school are going to be selling food from their different cultures. So make sure you come by and check it out and bring cash. Everything is cash only, so come support the clubs, come get some delicious food, and we'll see you there.
Hey Hornets! So tomorrow at lunch in the Old Pit, we're going to be celebrating for Native American Heritage Month. We're going to be making dream catchers, and we're going to be showing a film, which is Brother Bear. And yes, it's going to be fun, so come by. Thank you, Hornets.
Hey Hornets, it's Social Justice. We are having a canned food drive from now until the 22nd. It should have already been going on since the 14th, but make sure you guys collect as many cans as you can for your smart period to win donuts. Thank you.
Hey Hornets, it's Spirit. This Friday we're going to be having a Rep Your Culture Spirit Day, the same day as the Unity Assembly, so just make sure you show up wearing anything that relates to your culture, and yeah.
Hey Hornets, if you have a gender-affirming name change that you would like printed in the yearbook, make sure to check your Gmail, check for posters around school with a QR code, and check this link for the form. Please submit as soon as possible. Forms submitted after November 22nd, this Friday, may not be reflected in the yearbook. Thank you.
Go cross country at NCS on Saturday at Hayward.
Tomorrow is our final round of our dodgeball tournament. Be there.